Gadget Tech 321. Welcome to my channel. Hello guys, how are you doing all? You are too worried of gadgets like smartphones, laptop, tablet, iPad keyboard, which gets dusty, oily, sticky, sweat of your hand. Today's top 5 product on which I will be showing you that which is the best product which you should use for your gadgets to clean your smartphone, laptops, tablet, iPad, keyboard. This products is available in Amazon. And after buying and using this products, your gadgets will have a new look. Number 1. MMAK Smartphone Cleaning Gel Multi-Purpose LCD Cleaner Kit with cloth to clean mobile, laptop screen, computer, tab, LCD display, camera 100 ml, assorted color. Number 2. Zeiss Pre-Moistened Smartphone Cleaning Wipes for gentle and effective cleaning of mobile phone. If you are new to my channel, click a like button, and have not subscribed, then click in the subscribe button for more videos. Number 3. Spice It Up Multipurpose Keyboard PC Dust Cleaning Cleaner Slime Gel Jelly Putty Kit Magical Universal Super Clean Gel for Keyboard, Laptops Electronic Product. Number 4. GADGET Essentials GZCK104 Professional 6-in-1 Cleaning Kit, Air Blower, Cotton Swabs, Suede and Plush Microfiber Cloth, Brush Cleaning Solution. Number 5. Storite 2-in-1 Screen Cleaning Kit for Laptops, Mobiles, LCD LED Computers KCL1023, 120 ml. If you want to buy any of this product, link is in description. Giveaway prize: Google Pay and Phone Pay. If you want to lucky winner, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.